Are you filing ITR for the first time? If yes, here is a quick start guide for you. First, collect all your income proofs. Salary, freelance, rent, gather it all. Then download Form 26AS and AIS from the Income Tax e-filing portal. Cross-check the same with income and TDS. To download Form 26AS, log into the e-filing portal, then click on e-file, income tax returns, and then click on View Form 26AS. For AIS, log into the e-filing portal and click AIS. Select the applicable ITR form based on your income sources. Enter the details of income and deductions in the ITR form. Submit your return through the e-filing portal. The last step to complete the ITR is verification. The recommended method is e-verification. You can use Aadhaar OTP, net banking, or EVC for e-verification.
Filing your ITR is simpler than you think. Start early, file easily.